Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, this will be a short one, I hope. More of a lesson learned, both for me and hopefully you don't make this same mistake. I have this set up here, and they're good Mac tools. I actually got them at a garage sale, so they were a little bit used, but they all cut really fine, and I'm, been real happy with them, and so far so good. But I was cutting a hole that needs to fit this, so of course I go through my stuff and I find this one here, and it just barely fits over the top. Well, I know the outer diameter's gonna be a little bigger, but I figure I need a fit for this shank as well, and I thought, okay, it should be really good, or real close enough to what I needed. So I went ahead and drilled that out. This is the second lesson I'm learning here. I drilled it out of the piece that I need, and unfortunately, all said and done, it is way too wobbly in here. So, the weirder thing is, I got this little thing here. It won't even come close to going over the top of it. And it really doesn't look like it would fit over this. But I figured that one drilled out quite a bit bigger, so why not? But this time I used a test piece. That's again, the second lesson I learned there is use a test piece. When you know it, this fits in here absolutely perfect. I mean, it's got almost no slop at all. Just enough to where it's good. It's what I want. So now I know I can use that one to drill the hole I need, which is nice to know I have it. But lesson learned, test first in a test piece, and secondly, kind of realize that even if this fits just about perfectly in there, it's a big enough hole that it wouldn't fit around this. I don't know what size this is. So in case you're wondering, I believe this is the bigger one here is 1 1/8. This one here is right at 1 inch. So whether or not it drills an actual 1 inch hole, that's kind of the question. I'm going to actually measure it out. We'll kind of look at it. They don't look as thick as they might be, but so I would say in the end I got about a 1 inch hole, a little bit smaller than a 1 inch hole, but almost dead on 1 inch hole there. And the bigger one drilled a 1 1/8 inch hole. So this Mac tool set drills the holes it says it will. I just didn't take the time to measure out what this bolt was, which is obviously a 1 inch, appears to be a 1 inch, maybe a little bit smaller, 7/8 maybe. Well, I noticed this cut off at the end of there, so I'm just going to kind of finish this up. I gotta say, I don't know, if you're looking for some, at least as of the time this kit was made here, it's a 7-piece Mac Tools 7-piece hole saw kit, HS9595. There's some smaller writing here, but I don't know. I'm impressed with how well these cut and how long they've lasted, and I bought them used. Otherwise, it's a good little kit. As far as the hole saws are concerned, the main thing about this whole video is just don't screw up like I did. I haven't used these a whole ton for a lot of things. I've been using them more lately. That's kind of why I'm doing this video. And I've also learned there's proper ways of doing things, and if you do things in the wrong order, it can really mess things up. So there you go. Now you know. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and obviously master of none. You all have a good one.